Hell yeah.
What's going on? Cuts by Reggie here, just with a quick video on the Babyliss Pro FlashFXs. They got a tool that comes with it on how to change the blade, or not change the blade, but zero gap it and mess with the gapness of the blade. I just said zero gap, but either way, before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, share the video, all the fun stuff that comes along with this. You know, click that bell. I never say that, but click the bell too. We'll see what happens with that. All right, so we're gonna make this a quick video. We'll try to keep it under 5 minutes. All you need is their tool and screwdriver. All right, so first, screwdriver. One thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take these screws out just like you would do with any trimmer, T-outliner, except for the Babyliss. The Babyliss Gold FX, you don't have to take the blade off to actually zero gap it. I actually do like that about that. All right, so now you got your 2 screws off. Keep your 2 screws over there. You want to just pop that off. Pop it off, boom. As you can see, I wish I had some light, but if you can see right there, they have 2, turn this way, see if you can see a little better, boom. You got 2 screws right there, which is used, this is the tool you use for that. They right on the inside of that there, all right? The good thing about this tool here is they got one side, if you want to keep it regular, so it's not as close, and then they have the zero gap side. As you can see, they have the measurement. They have the measurement there, 0.5 millimeters. No measurement there because it's zero gap. You're gonna get as close as possible. Hopefully this is not, if you're heavy-handed, you wanna always be careful, no matter if you're using the tool or not, but this tool helps you zero gap it without hurting your eyes and all that. So what you're gonna do, if I can get it in there myself, you're gonna just slide it up and push it in. You hear that snap? You hear that snap right there? Take your Babyliss screwdriver that comes with it. Loosen these up a little bit. You don't want to you don't want to take them completely out. You just want to loosen them up. But man, they tight. Just want to loosen it up so that blade moves up and down. If y'all can see that. Maybe I need to loosen them up some more. But you get it where, there you go. See that? It can move around all willy-nilly, right? So now that it's on this tool, their design on the inside is to keep it at a certain level. So you push it all the way up, hold it at that spot, and just tighten your screws up. Boom, you take it out, you check your blade. Even with that, I still have this side. I was pushing up on one side too much, so that's on me. Not the tool's fault, that's actually on me. Loosen that up. I got fat fingers, so my fingers is in the way. But you're gonna push it all the way up. Tighten it. Take that thing out. If y'all can see that, we up there. Now, for the eye test, you can still get it a little closer. But again, when you zero gapping, a lot of people get misconstrued and actually zero gap everything to the sense where it's just flush right there, which is fine if you know how to work that. This is a better zero gap for me since I'm heavy-handed. I will probably still push it up just a tad, but in the fact of using the tool, I think they did a good job on keeping it where it's not getting too close, all right? So what you're gonna do is make sure that this part here is right above the, this metal. I just had the rotary, whatever. Don't judge me. So you just wanna put that right on top of there. Snap it right on, put your screws in. And that is how you go about zero gapping the Babyliss Pro FlashFX using their tool. The tool that comes in it anyway, So you don't have to buy anything extra. If you lose this, maybe you buy extra, but it comes in the kit already. And boom, now you're ready to go. That is just how you use their tool. Again, I will probably push it up closer, but this video is based on how to use the tool that comes in their kit. It's very simple. Take the blade off, snap it in there, and you're ready to go. All right. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Cuts by Reggie. Like the video, comment, share it, and all that good stuff, and hit the bell, and yeah. All right. Appreciate you. Cuts by Reggie. Peace.